name's Kitty, and wait, where's Logic? Guys? Anyone? Someone? Maybe? Okay, I guess I don't have much time then. It's been a week, and looking back, I really should have seen the sign sooner. So I'm making this list, so whoever's watching this, someone, anyone, maybe this is pointless now that I think about it, but what the heck, I'm gonna die anyway. So I'm making this list, so here we go. 10 ways to tell if your cat is trying to kill you. Sign number 1. Your cat is kneading on you. What your cat is really doing is checking your vital organs for weaknesses. Sign number 2. Your cat is hiding in dark places and watching you from afar. What your cat is really doing is observing you in your natural habitat. Sign number 3. Excessive spreading of kitty litter. Don't believe it. It's really practice for burying dead bodies. Sign number 4. Your cat is constantly sleeping on your electronics. Man has superior technology and your cat knows this. What they're really doing is monitoring communication with the outside world, trying to cut you off. It's excessively annoying. Sign number 5. Staring contests. If you become engaged in a staring contest with your cat, do not look away. This shows weakness, and an attack is likely to follow. Especially an attack in the middle of the night. Sign number 6. Random sprinting out of the room. Don't believe it for a minute. This is actually a failed ambush. They will be back and they will try again. Sign number 7. Your cat has a gun and they're trying to hide it. Not a good sign. Logic, what are you doing? Is that a missile? Sign number 8. Your cat has a missile in your vicinity. Number 9. Tank. Hey kitties, I managed to get Logic off my face, and after that entire week of him constantly trying to kill me, I took him back to the pound. I hope he doesn't come back anytime soon. Still, fingers crossed I stay alive for another week.